Today we have a 2013 C250 with the W204 chassis and the M271 motor. Therefore, it is a 4-cylinder, not a 6-cylinder like some people try to argue in my other videos. So we're going to be replacing the spark plugs here. Very simple. First thing we do is going to go ahead and just pull the connectors all the way through. And then with an E8, we're going to remove 2 bolts on each end of these and go ahead and pull these ignition coils out. These coil packs. All right, y'all. After removing those E8 bolts off the coil packs here, just going to pull them up. Looks like they need a valve cover gasket, which I have a video of that as well. Older one. I'm kind of still new to this, but still pretty decent. So you see the spark plug there. There's going to be 4 total. With the 5/8 socket, spark plug socket, we're going to go in and just go ahead and start removing them. Okay, guys. So all my spark plugs have been removed, and I've already gone and replaced them. They get torqued down to 23 Newton meters, or roughly 17 foot-pounds. So now we're going to go ahead and install our coil packs back in here and put those E8 bolts back in. Now, those E8 bolts aren't just holding down the coil pack itself. As you can see right here, it also holds the valve cover down to the head as well. So because of that, we're going to go ahead and torque that back down as well. 8 Newton meters, which is roughly 6 foot-pounds. So go ahead and get all these back in, plug them all up, torque it down, and that will be it. So we'll be done. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe. More videos to come.